Hi guys! Yeah, it's me, Rachel Young from Blazing Chance. Oh yeah, you don't know me yet. Anyway, sorry, Lizzie, she's the other, one of the other members in the group. She's already done her, sorry, her 10 facts, and now it's my turn. Don't know when Lizzie's gonna do hers. Possibly soon, I'm not sure. Anyway, first fact. Those scary pop-up things that come up in videos, like the evil face and like all that, they really freak me out. I guess it's because I'm not really expecting it, if you know what I mean. Anyway, fact number 2. My birthday. 14th of September 2000, which makes me the eldest member in the group. And the tallest. Things I don't really like being the eldest, because like, my boyfriend is like younger and smaller than me. But he doesn't mind. Fact number 3. Favorite animal. I like any animal. I really like animals a lot. If I had to like choose a specific animal, it would be cat or wolf. I really like them. If I had to be an animal, I guess it would be a wolf, because like never cool, then why? Okay, fact number 4. My favorite subject at school is English, because like our teacher's really nice and lets us do projects and like different things. At the moment, we're doing one on pastime, and it involves me, Tilly, Lizzie, a boy called Ethan, and another girl called Keegan. My relationship status, fact number 5. I'm taken, as I already said. He's a mega sweet boy, and he's called Jordan. He's just so sweet. I think it's really complete because I got a cousin called Jordan as well. I wrote it on my wrist. It's like, fact number 6. Favorite singers or bands? One Direction, The Script, Ollie Murs and Lil. I'm gonna go see Ollie Murs at the Powderham Castle on the 7th of July, which is really exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. Fact number 7. My personality. I'm quite adventurous and sporty. I really like I'm not like the naughty girl who'll be like, oh my god, it's touching you. I'm nothing like that. Although I do wear a little bit of makeup. And I'm also really crazy. Although I am the most sensible person in the group, because Tilly and Lizzie are absolutely mental. No offense. Anyway, fact number 8. Websites I'm addicted to. Facebook, I go on every day. Twitter, I really think I just got Insta again. And YouTube, I've always been on YouTube. Possibly Tumblr, because like I go on there to see like all those animation things. It's really cool. Celebrity I'd love to meet is number 9. Liam Payne by far. He's like my favourite member from One Direction. And I bought this just now. It's a Liam Payne bear. Get them in biology. You can get one for the whole One Direction. You can get individual. Luckily, I found one this morning. Mine. I'm gonna bring in Force Manager in a bit. Fact number 10. I think any. Oh wait, right. Is it correctly? I did not say it's a fact. My favourite place are any food places like McDonald's, KFC, stuff like that. I'm a bit like Niall Horan from One Direction. I can eat a lot and not get fat, if you know what I mean. Anyway, that's me. 10 facts. And I'll be seeing you next week for a drawing topic. I might also be doing a few videos in between, but I don't know what I'm gonna draw. Anyway, peace, bye.